Monte Carlo simulations are powerful tools for modeling uncertainty and making data-driven decisions. However, they are not without challenges. Many users encounter common pitfalls that can lead to misleading results and poor decision-making. Common pitfalls in Monte Carlo simulations. 1. Poorly defined probability distributions. The accuracy of Monte Carlo simulations depends on the quality of input data. Using incorrect or oversimplified probability distributions can lead to unreliable results. 2. Insufficient number of simulations. Running too few simulations can produce unstable or inaccurate estimates. A higher number of runs improves convergence and reliability. 3. Ignoring correlations between variables. Many real-world problems involve interdependent variables. Failing to account for correlations can lead to unrealistic predictions. 4. Computational cost and efficiency. Monte Carlo methods can be computationally expensive, especially for high-dimensional problems. Using variance reduction techniques can improve efficiency without sacrificing accuracy. 5. Misinterpretation of results. Decision-makers must understand probabilistic outcomes instead of focusing only on single-point estimates. Proper visualization and statistical analysis help in extracting meaningful insights. 6. Neglecting model validation. Without validation against real data, simulations may not reflect actual outcomes. Comparing results with historical data or alternative models can improve credibility. 7. Over-reliance on Monte Carlo without expert judgment. While Monte Carlo is a valuable tool, it should complement expert knowledge, not replace it. Combining domain expertise with simulations leads to more informed decisions. Conclusion: Monte Carlo simulations provide a powerful way to analyze uncertainty, but avoiding common pitfalls is essential for producing reliable and meaningful results. By carefully selecting input distributions, ensuring sufficient simulation runs, and validating models, users can maximize the benefits of this approach.